Hi there. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How is your day? I am feeling great. And you? I am well, thank you. What is your full name? My full name is Sarah. Where do you live? I live in New York. How old are you? I am 30 years old. Do you have any siblings? Yes, I have two brothers. I also have one sister. Do you have pets? Yes, I have a dog. No, I do not have pets. What is your job? I am a doctor. I work in a hospital. I am a student. I study English at school. Do you like your work? Yes, I enjoy it. No, it is difficult sometimes. What is your favorite hobby? I love painting. I enjoy reading novels. I like watching movies. I enjoy listening to music. I like playing basketball. Do you exercise? Yes, I run every morning. No, I do not exercise. Where do you usually go shopping? I go to the market. I go to the mall. How much does this cost? It costs $10. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. No, cash only. Do you like this shirt? Yes, it is very nice. No, I prefer another color. Can I have a bag? Thank you very much. You are welcome. I want to eat lunch. I want to eat dinner. I would like a sandwich. I would like some soup. Can I have water? Can I have juice? This food is tasty. I enjoy this pizza. May I see the menu, please? Yes, here it is. I would like to pay now. How much is it? It is $15. Thank you for the meal. You are welcome. Have a nice day. Enjoy your meal. I am full. I am happy with the food. I am going to the park. I am going to school. I am going to the office. I take the bus every morning. I take the train sometimes. I take a taxi when I am late. I ride my bicycle on weekends. How far is it from here? It is close. It is far away. How long does it take? It takes 20 minutes. Where is the bus stop? Where is the train station? I want to go to the airport. I want to go to the hotel. I want to visit the restaurant. Please take me there. Stop here, please. Thank you. It is sunny today. It is raining outside. It is cloudy. It is very windy. It is cold today. It is hot outside. What is the weather like? The weather is beautiful. The weather is bad. I like sunny weather. I like rainy days. I enjoy winter. I like summer. I enjoy spring. I like autumn. It is snowing outside. It is freezing today. I wear a jacket. I wear a scarf. I wear warm gloves. What is this? This is a notebook. What is that? That is a pen? Where are you? I am at home. Who is he? He is my teacher. Who is she? She is my friend. What do you like? I like ice cream. I like chocolate. What do you want? I want water. I want juice. Can you help me? Yes, I can. No, I cannot. Do you enjoy it? Yes, I enjoy it. No, I don't like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What time is it? It is 7 o'clock. It is 8 o'clock. It is 9 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. I eat lunch at 12 o'clock. I eat dinner at 7 o'clock. Today is Monday. Today is Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Today is Thursday. Today is Friday. Today is Saturday. Today is Sunday. I like to read books. I like to watch TV. I like listening to music. I like playing football. I like playing basketball. I like swimming. I like cooking. I like drawing. I like painting. I like singing. I like dancing. I like riding a bicycle. I like walking. I like running. I like traveling. I like taking photos. I like learning English. I like writing. I like playing video games. I like meeting friends. I enjoy relaxing at home. I enjoy going outside. I enjoy visiting new places. I like shopping on weekends. I like going to the park. I like exercising in the morning. I enjoy learning new things. I enjoy spending time with family. Hello, everyone. Thank you for practicing English with us. I hope you had fun learning today. Please like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment below and tell us your favorite sentence. Subscribe to Mr. USA English for more lessons. Hit the notification bell to stay updated. Share this video with your friends who want to learn English. Keep practicing every day. See you in the next lesson. Remember, learning English is fun. Practice speaking every day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Use English with your friends. Listen to English songs and videos. Read simple English books. Write short sentences every day. Stay motivated and keep learning. Thank you for joining us today. Goodbye and see you soon.